Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from mpiinvest.com. So, talking about the market, we did give a detailed analysis of what exactly happened last week and also what could be expected next week in yesterday's Market Pulse video. So, if you have not seen that, I would recommend you to see that first and then come back here. So, coming to the day today, most Asian markets have actually kind of opened negative. That is actually surprising because I was expecting most Asian markets to be opening positive. In fact, I am actually expecting a gap up opening in Indian market as well. But then Asian markets have actually not are not actually doing great. Let's see how things go. In fact, if you look at Asian markets which have actually opened lower but are actually trying to recover at this point of time. So that is something which is a good thing I would say as of now. But apart from that, if you look at the markets overall, today the focus would be majorly on AI. Yes. So in fact, this entire bull run was actually brought in by AI. Nvidia is doing really strong in the US. In fact, Nvidia's has gone up by more than 250% in last 6-7 months. So that stock value I'm talking about. So that is something which is really amazing. Along with that, over the weekend, the news that came in that they have actually tied up with Reliance Group as well as Tata Group is actually going to have a lot of focus on these two stocks today. There are chances that they can drive up and take the market along. So in fact, if you look at Reliance has not been performing for quite some time, which I told yesterday also. So will this news actually lift up the spirit in Reliance? And if that happens, Reliance can actually take the market up. And if that happens, there are high chances that the markets can even go touch the all-time high of 20,000. But intraday closing about 20,000 is to be watched. Intraday, if it happens, may not be a big deal. But then after that, if at all we see a close about 20,000, then that could be actually leading to a big bullish rally ahead. So that is something that we need to watch out how things go at this point of time. Of course, it's a great time for investors because all those investors would be sitting with some amazing profit the way the markets are rallying up. But then, of course, it is only people who have invested in the bad times in the market who are actually making money. Those who come into the market during the good times are people who don't make money. So this is a good time at this point of time. So there are people thronging to the market to make some money out of this, but it's not their time because they say only if you stay in the long run, that is when you make money in the stock market. So that's something which is happening at this point of time. But of course, I would say if you're not investing, continue investing, start investing at least in SIP mode into the stock markets because Indian markets are looking amazing. So that's something that we would look out for today. Major focus would be on Tata stocks as well as that is Tata ELXSI would be one stock which I would say, but along with that Tata Consumer Service. So TCS is something which needs to be looked at. TCS has been underperforming for a real long time. So these two are, Reliance as well as TCS are more like a sleeping elephant. So will they actually wake up and start taking the market up? That's something that needs to be looked at. So any positive, if the market opens gap up also, and if it is kind of stabilizing for some time the first half, there can be chances of again a rally by second half. So that has to be watched. Again, stock market can never be predicted, but I'm just saying by these important levels. On the lower side, I would say yesterday's close around on Friday, what was at 19,819. So that level could be watched. Any low, any big break below 19,800 could be kind of a consolidation for some time. But then if it's taking a support there and starts moving up, there are chances of a big rally as well. So these are things that can be expected for today. Let's see how the markets move, and based on that we make our investment decision. In fact, today I'm planning to enter a brand new stock, which of course I would be announcing in the MPA family as soon as possible. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off until we catch up tomorrow morning with more details on the market. Goodbye. Have a great week ahead.